So hi guys, in this video you have seen here when we are going to create a GL account, I have seen a error. That's a company code AP99 is not assigned to a field status variant. Okay, so now we need to resolve this error. So I am going to show you how can we resolve this error. Okay, so open the new GUI page, press enter. 1 second. Okay. Okay. So new GUI window and press here transaction code SPRO and press enter and go to SAP reference IMG page and go to the financial accounting financial accounting global setting and go to the global parameter for company code and enter global parameters. Okay, and choose my company code is AP99. So press double click and here you see field status variant is empty. Okay, so we need to fill here. Okay, we can fill here anything. Here 0001 I am going to fill this. Okay, and then press enter and go to the save button, click check. So our field status variant is filled. Okay, so now go to the GL account page and on the create balance sheet, general GL account, short text for payable, anything you can write. uh, I in this video I am just going to show you how can you resolve the error like a field status variant. Okay, for payable I am fill anything, control data, INR, create bank interest sheet, fill first one and then go to save. So you have seen that after resolving that error, our GL account is created. Okay, thank you. Thank you.